Smith machine shoulder press. First off, set up the seat. So you want to tilt the seat up and you want the actual bench reclined a little bit. You don't want it completely vertical. You want it positioned so that the bar is almost touching your chin on the way down, and you want to lower your elbows until they're just below your shoulders. Now, when you unrack the bar, what you want to do is you want to lock your shoulders in position, and the way that you do that is you lift your chest up and you pull your elbows down as though you were doing a lat pull down movement. Because we are trying really hard to pull our shoulders down and hold them there through that pressing movement, I find that just this your standard lat pull down is an excellent warm up for that. So we're going to do some of this now. And this is what I mean when you're trying to pull your elbows down as though you're doing a lat pull down. So you're trying to pull your elbows and your shoulders down as hard as you can, and you're trying to keep them pulled down in that position throughout the entire set of that shoulder press. Now, I like using just your standard lat pull down as a warm up for shoulder pressing movements. And I like using the, what's it called? I like using the chest pulls as a warm up for bench pressing movements. So if I'm doing flat or incline press, I'll do a chest pull. If I'm doing overhead press, I'll do a lat pull, like a standard upright lat pull. And the reason for that is I find that shoulder retraction is more important for bench pressing, flat or incline pressing, and I find that shoulder depression, so pulling those shoulder blades right down, is more important for a shoulder press. Everyone's body and training experience is different, so I encourage you to play around with either version and find what works best for you. So here's an example working set. I'm lifting my chest, I'm pulling my shoulder blades down and locking them in. I'm keeping them held down the entire time while I'm pushing that bar up and down. If you get into the habit of lifting your chest and pulling your shoulder blades back and down on every pressing movement, whether it's bench press, incline press, shoulder press, that will give you extra stability on all of those movements. It'll help you push more weights and it'll transfer to all of your pressing movements.